Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Derek Collins with the Diversion Center, here to show you how to start a court-mandated business. Now, I'm over here in my office, and I said, you know what? Let me figure out a way to do a video where I show people how to start a court-mandated business in, 10 to 20 minutes. This is going to be a short video, to the point, because I don't want you to overthink it, okay? After this video, you're going to know how to start your own court mandated business from A to Z. All right. So let's get started. If you guys don't know about me, I've been doing this work now for about 15 years. I'm Dr. Collins. I teach anger management, substance abuse, domestic violence, values clarification, MRT. I basically taught every court mandated class that you can possibly think of. And we've been doing this for a very long time. I have multiple offices here in Georgia. My headquarters is here in Marietta, Georgia. I have offices in Duluth, Lawrenceville, Jonesboro, and Fayetteville. All right. So I can definitely show you how to do this. And it's not that deep. So here you go. If you're a licensed therapist, you're qualified to do this work. So if you're LMFT, LCSW, certified alcohol and drug counselor, anyone with a license in the therapy practice in your state, you're eligible to provide these services. And by the way, most of these services are considered psychoeducation, so they're not considered therapy. So you can practice across state lines because they're psychoeducation classes like anger management, parenting, shoplifting. Those are all psychoeducation courses, as well as domestic violence. So you can provide these classes in different states without having to have a license in those states. Okay, we provide evaluations, but you have to be licensed in the state that you're providing the evaluation in. Very important. So do not do evaluations outside your state license. All right. Especially for court mandated stuff. You just want to protect yourself, all right? So we have several different classes that you guys can offer. We have anger management. We have domestic violence. We have shoplifting. Almost forgot how to spell it. Shoplifting and theft prevention. We have substance use or substance misuse, or also known as ASAM level 1 in some arenas. We have MRT, we have values clarification, and a whole lot more, okay? So these are your basic classes, okay? Clarification, parenting, all that good stuff, right? So we have all these different classes that you can offer and teach, all right? And you have to decide, okay, which classes do I want to teach? Do I want to teach anger management? Do I want to teach shoplifting? Do I want to teach substance use? You have to decide what class that you want to teach. Also, if you're going to do evaluations, because a person like myself, I do evaluations. I love evaluations, okay? And those are the things that I highly recommend, okay? Evaluations are my jam. So I want you guys to consider doing evaluations, because that's how you're going to make the most money in this business, is by doing evaluations. Because the evaluations can range between, I'll just say on a super low end, $100, and it could be all the way up to, on the high end, I've seen as high as $1,500. So decide what type of evaluations that you want to do. We have substance abuse evaluations. We have evaluations for anger management, domestic violence. We have evaluations for mental health. There are all these different types of evaluations that you can offer, and the price varies. So you want to look up your competitors in your city and see how much they're charging, what they're offering, and just do the same. Okay. Also, if you want to get involved and join an organization that will help you build your practice, join the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers. This organization is going to help you build your court-mandated practice. It's the only organization that is dedicated to helping court-mandated providers. All right, because if you guys don't know, there are many people that love to gatekeep the information. All right, and there are a lot of people that are not willing to share the information with you because it can be very profitable. So this organization will definitely help you get started and get you on the right path to starting your court mandated business. Okay, so now that we got that done, we know the classes that are available. Okay, and by the way, these are not all the classes. There are more classes that I have not mentioned. Okay, but this is just a little bit of information that you guys can take and run with it. And you may be asking, you say, hey, Derek, that sounds great, but how do I get trained to teach these classes? Go to the National Association of Court-Approved Treatment Providers. And they have trainings, or I shouldn't say they, we have trainings on how to teach these classes, okay? So if you want to get trained in that, you can go to nacatp.org, look at the training options, and sign up for training courses, all right? So we talked about evaluations for a little bit. We've talked about the different types of classes that you guys can offer. Well, let's talk about this. How do you market yourself? A lot of people ask me that question. That's like the number one question. Do the court send you people? Do the probation send you people? How do you get your clients, Derek? Well, I tell people the best way to get your clients is online. So you want to have a great online presence. It's all about your online presence. It's all about people being able to find you on their cell phone. If they cannot find you, they cannot what? Pay you, all right? You have to be findable, all right? So will probation officers send you people? Yes, after you're well known, after you're known in the community, they will send you people. Are they supposed to? Not really. They say they're not supposed to send people to certain providers. They cannot show favoritism. They're supposed to just put the providers on a list and all that. But I tell people all the time, if I personally depended on that list, I would be broke, okay? Because most of my clients don't even use that list. They don't follow the list. As a matter of fact, they get a list and they lose it. So they go straight to their cell phone and look up anger management class near me. They look up shoplifting class near me. And my website pops up, boom. They sign up, call my office, sign up, take the class, done deal. They get their certificate. They turn their certificate into their probation officer. Done. Okay? You will be dealing with probation officers. Okay? You will not really be dealing with courts. And a lot of people are like, Derek, will I have to go to court? No, we don't go to court. A lot of people are afraid of this business because they think that they have to go to court. If I had to go to court, I would not be in this business. As a matter of fact, I would not have time to go to court. You don't have time for all that. So your certificate, your report, your evaluation represents you in court. So you do not have to go to court. That's not a thing. We don't go to court. All of our clients are private pay, and they pay us credit card, debit card, cash. We do not get paid by the courts. We do not get paid by the government. All of our clients are self-pay, all right? I've been in business now for about, I think, 12 years now, or 15 years, I can't remember. And I've never been on an insurance panel. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, so remember, okay, these are all self-paying clients, all right? And if they don't go to you, they're just gonna go to someone else, all right? So understand, if you're afraid, if you're timid, well, guess what? They're just gonna go to someone else, all right? So go ahead and start your program, okay? You can do it. We believe in you. I believe in you. It can be done. If I can do it, you can do it. I tell people all the time, an 8th grader can run my office. And I'm not even joking when I say this. All right. So believe in yourself. Do not have imposter syndrome. If you do, get past it. Some of you guys are PhDs, LPCs, LMFTs. You guys have all these different credentials. You guys are more than qualified to do the work, okay? You are more than qualified. Make it happen, all right? Make it happen. So one of the things I tell people to advertise, you want to make sure that you're contacting probation if that's what you want to do, but it's not required. Your clients are going to mainly come from probation, but ideally, your web presence. Period. If they cannot find you, they cannot pay you. Make sure that your web presence is on point, okay? Make sure that you're popping up on Google, all right? If you want to learn how to do that, we can teach you that. But that's the number one way to get clients. Also, you can reach out to defense attorneys, okay? Okay, don't go calling these people, begging for business. You can send them a brochure, send them a flyer in the mail. I always tell people never go to probation empty-handed. If you're gonna go to a probation office and try to have them send you clients, always bring food in advance, okay? Bring some food, make them wanna talk to you. Don't go in there begging and asking, please give me some clients, please send me clients. No, you have to, act like a pharmaceutical sales rep, and this is a relationship, okay? Build the relationship, and if you're like me, who had bad experiences trying to build relationships, just go and build your web presence, okay? Build your web presence, and they'll come to you without you having to build relationships and rub elbows and kiss babies and all that stuff. Just do good work, okay? Because probation, they're looking for good providers. At the end of the day, they're looking for good providers that can do the work and that are ethical and actually try to help the clients and not just take money from them, okay? If you're in this just to make money and to use this as a hustle, this is not for you, okay? I do not respect anyone that's trying to do shoddy work and not respect the clients, because I used to be a client, okay? I went through this program myself many years ago, and I have nothing but respect for the clients because my counselor helped me change my life, okay? Over 20 years ago, he helped me change my life. He helped me turn my life around, and he showed me that I could actually do this work. And I'm letting you guys know to respect the practice, respect the profession, and always do good work, okay? Do the best of your ability, and take care of your clients, okay? You take care of your clients, they're gonna take care of you. And also, always try to elevate yourself and do the right thing and build yourself up, get your qualifications up, get your certifications up, never stop studying, and always pursue greatness, okay? So these are your top 3 ways to get clients: probation, web presence, and defense attorneys. You wanna go where your clients go, okay? You can also find out where do they do community service and advertise there. Where do your clients do community service, okay? That's also an option. Also, a lot of people are not aware that this works, y'all. Signs, okay? Signs work. We put signs in high traffic areas letting people know, hey, this is what we have. Will people pick them up and throw them away? But yeah, but this can potentially make you thousands of dollars just by you putting this out on a freeway exit or in front of a Costco, Walmart, because I get people that come to me in the past and say, hey, I saw your sign. I need to take your class because my wife is going to kill me if I don't get help. and they were not even court mandated, okay? They were not court mandated. So I'm letting you guys know, you can get all kinds of clients that way. If you're a life coach, get a sign that says life coaching on it. If you are a marriage and family therapist, if you practice in, if you work with couples, put couples counseling on there and put your phone number on there. Signs work, but I'm surprised by how many therapists are not using signs to advertise their business. It amazes me, okay? When I was walking into my building today, there's a dentist that had a sign out in front of the building advertising teeth cleaning. Signs works. It caught my attention right away, and I was like, man, maybe I need to get my teeth cleaned. Okay, it works, guys. Please use it. Don't overthink it. So many people overthink this stuff. It's really simple. Make sure that you're findable. Signs, brochures, SEO. Where are your clients going? Your clients are not going to be on TikTok. Not going to be on Facebook. They're going to be on TikTok. Your clients are going to be on YouTube. They're not going to be on Facebook, all right? Your majority of our clients are between the ages of 18 and 30. Go where they go. Advertise where they flock, okay? That's how you get clients. Make sure that you're findable on all platforms, okay? We're in a new age, okay? So I hope this video helps you a little bit. If you need help, if you need coaching on how to start your court mandated business, if you want to take this deeper, contact my office at 404-503-8069. Go to thediversioncenter.com. We have coaching packages available. We can help you get started. I've been doing this for a long time. We have trainings back here. This is my training room where we train people on various different things. Gun violence. We have training on gun violence, anger management certification, victim impact panel certification, values clarification certification, all that good stuff. You want to learn how to provide court mandated classes. You want to get trained in person. You want to have a VIP day with me. Contact my team, 404-503-8069. Contact my people and we'll get you started. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will be posting more videos in the future. All right, later.